Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got an amazing money-saving tip for you that will change the way you look at candles and coffee grounds forever. Are you ready to learn how to make your own aromatic and insect-repellent candle? Let's dive in. First things first, grab yourself 2 candles and a pan. We're going to melt these down on low heat. Now, while these beauties are melting away, let me tell you how I stumbled upon this genius hack. It all started when I realized I was spending way too much money on store-bought candles. But guess what? No more. This trick has saved me loads, and I can't wait to share it with you. Once our candles are completely melted, we'll turn off the heat. But hold your horses, we're not done yet. Now here comes the fun part. We're going to add some cloves for that extra magic touch. There's no exact amount, so feel free to sprinkle in as many as you like. The aroma of cloves mixed with melted wax is simply divine. But wait, there's more. Here's where the coffee grounds come into play. Just a tablespoon will do the trick. And guess what? You can even use used coffee grounds. Now, this next step is crucial. Remember those leftover wicks? We're going to put them to good use. Once the wick is in place, we'll let the candle sit for a few minutes until it hardens. Voila! Our homemade aromatic and insect-repellent candle is ready to go. Can you smell that? The scent of fresh coffee mixed with cloves is absolutely delightful. And here's the best part. Not only does it smell amazing, but it also keeps those pesky insects at bay, thanks to the natural repellent properties of cloves. So there you have it, folks. Say goodbye to expensive store-bought candles and hello to your own homemade masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy crafting!